Thanks for being here. Great to see you all in Nashville. Should be a great week. We got a lot of exciting stuff.
We're here today to show you how we're bringing your data together, not only to accelerate your casework, but to answer with confidence the questions that are being asked during the course of your investigations.
Today, we introduce Magnet AI, powering AI-driven innovation across all the Magnet forensics ecosystem, helping investigators move faster, see more clearly, and focus their expertise on where it matters most. At the end of the day, what matters most is not the technology itself, it's the impact on your cases.
I like Magnet User Summit because they make connection with law enforcement.
And it just brings everybody from the world. I met people from Dubai and I met people from all over the place. The amount of care they put into this conference and just shows they really want to be there for their customers.
My favorite thing about Magnet User Summit so far is the opportunity to meet so many professionals in the field. As someone who is new to digital forensics, it's really helpful to be able to hear from people that are so experienced.
We believe that every case has some digital evidence that has a story to tell, and that can advance the pursuit of justice.